Okay, so hello. Today I'm testing out my own game made on builda. As you can see, I tried to make this game. I also have this. You like this? The circle, anmaiton, things. Yeah, he's my friend. Yeah. This game is heavily inspired on Sonic, like big heavily. Enemies, yay! Also, if just like if you could jump out of heads and do like a switch, a carry jump, do that. So I would definitely do that if you want to know how would I do that. Because it's really unpredictable. Let's go with offense. I forgot to select this. Oh, never mind. Level 2. I'm not done with this, but this level is supposed to be hard. Like really. But I forgot to get common anmaiton. I'm still working on it. So oh wait, but anyways, that's the yeah, that's the version of the game. Yeah. Yeah, we're like animations. One the idol and Japan and this and name no before rather name. Yeah, that seems good. That's gonna be amazing. And I'm still working on my friend's this one. He's gonna be like the I don't know if I should add any bullies for him or something like that. Cause really, I don't know what to do. To be honest. So yeah, that's a game. I wanted to show you. If you say trash, then I agree with you, cause it is trash. I'm trying to make some improvements to the game. What do you guys want me to add? You could be like I want to add myself into that game. Like you could do that. I'm only gonna add you like into the credits scene or like into like one of those special. I'm planning on doing like a stage where you dance. I'm gonna add a lot of people there you can choose from. So don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. You are gonna be added too if you want or something. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for y'all. So yeah, if you want any more updates or if you want to work on a game, I have you can work with other people now, which let me show you. Let me just say just publish and just on this load. This is still long. Load. Yeah, now update please. But I said update. Finally. Yeah, do that. This is my thumbnail. There's a probably change the thumbnail. Edit. Are you choosing? Also, I forgot to say that if you was playing like a character in the last level, then you can play as that in the level again. So yeah, it's basically like who are you picking? Are you picking that guy? Are you picking somebody else? Are you picking you? It's really just like a thing. Wait, what was I supposed to say again? Oh, the team create. The team create. Now let's go to edit. Oh wait, no! I forgot to show you, cause I misclicked. Backing up. Yeah, backing up. You go to here. There's a Tinkerate. Tinkerate is mostly about you can pick people. I'm just typing in random names because I don't know if this works. You give permission to publish games? No. Well, I'm gonna let some people, only some people to edit the game. Only if it's not popular and bad. I want people to see this game, and if you like, I will let you officially what do you say? Edit the whole. No, not edit the whole game. Do the levels if you like. Cause some people, I bet they're like saying, I want to do the levels, or somebody. If you want or not, I don't know, and I don't care. But if you want, I will let you be the taste. I will let you do the levels or show me your level ideas, and I will try to do them. Now, as you might be concerned, how you do this? Oh, it's pretty easy. I don't. Well, I do it. But also, if you guys like, I don't know what you guys like. If you guys like, then I would probably, you want me to do something with it? Oh wait, we failed. No, I'm gonna put my slime as my real hair. I like my slime. He's my pet. He's my hamster. He's my dog. He's everything to me because he's a slime. I like that. Woo, woo. It's so funny when he does that sometimes. Cause some games are like, woo. Woo. Wait, this doesn't work cool. This is, wait. But anyways, you could, why aren't you skipping a video? You should have already go to the part Well, I don't know. Anyway, slime. Did I just spell slime? I also have like, what did they do to him? What did they actually decide to cut him off? This is why my eyes are terrified of that. Glasses? Ooh, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna get into my slime glasses. Let's go. Get right, boom. Now I like my slime. This is father and son. We race. This is father and son. This is father and son. Cause I'm his father. He's my son. Okay. I do not know why we call my slime as my son. It's just cause he looks cool. Let's go check. Anyways, I'm not even yapping too much. Am I? I don't know. And am I still recording or not? I think I am recording. I don't know why am I still recording. Should I put these up for sale? I feel like I should if I want. I mean, it's kind of my own option, but I feel like I should. No, I'm not trying to make it for up. Not trying to make any money here, but I feel like I should. Like, get the feeling everywhere, Never mind. Anyways, I'm almost done. Okay, so we got the whole... Oh my gosh! Oh, never mind. It just sucks. Oh. So let me come back. Oh. Yeah, we moved. You died, twin. Stop dying, twin. Officially died. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. And boom. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This is getting kind of annoying. Like, dude, I'm trying to, yeah, this feels good. Yes. Of course it does that. Finally, I'm done. Yeah, let's see is the most cussiest dude in the world. Do not make me see that ever again. Now, after we were finally done, pants, you know what I'm gonna do? Ew. No, you're just becoming a squirrel. Ew. Time to spend some time with us. Wait, what the? I don't want to do it, Dad. I don't want to. How? Oh, yes, fix the mistake. Black pants. That's what I wear every single day. No, not. I don't like this. How could this be this bad when I didn't make it bad? I have so many questions. Oh, here. Here. It's pretty good enough. It's my jacket. Those pants. No, you can't. I swear I see nothing in here. Look at this. Nothing. Where is it? I see nothing. Ooh, wait. Die. Finally! But I don't like this. Because it's bad. No, I don't want that. I want this. E. Done. Let's go. Yes, that's my avatar. But in Julian's editor, I'm so proud. Yeah. Do I seriously need to do this? This feels like a lot of work. I don't want that. I want black. Now I gotta do this and this and this. Gotta do this and this. Gotta do this and this. Hooey, well done. Here's my nice looking fresh avatar. I made all these by myself, but not the jacket. I made the shirt, pants, ew. Shirt, pants, and shoes. Not the socks. I don't know why I added the socks. Suit, the pants, it's really ugly. So I decided to remake it on this, which makes it thicker. And if you take this off, there'll be no more of these black spots, but it'll be a problem. But hey, I look brand new. So yeah, like and sub if you want to see more play test of this. So I gotta fix that though. Edit. The art name. No, it's slime. And done. Yeah. No. Yeah. Smith Rufio. Hair, face, that seems good. Shoes, yes. Outfit name, yes. Black pants, yes. Slime, yes. Glasses, cool. Let's go. I said road. Hurry up, bro. 677. Yes, I can finally play. Glasses refilled. Why don't I have my glasses on? I need those cool looking glasses. Now, goodbye. Now, goodbye.